India today has now accessed the key government offer to protesting farmers in a bid to end the 14-day standoff. So what is really different? Sources say the concessions offered in writing involve a proposal to amend the farm laws to make them more palatable for protesters. The government has also reportedly offered written assurances on MSP and grain procurement, a key demand of farmers. The government has also offered to apply a uniform tax rate on APMC, and free market specialized farmers' courts will also be set up for dispute redressal in case of corporate farming. The government also assured farmers that they will not lose land to contractors which has been taken on default or a loan. The anti-stubble burning ordinance, which had a penalty and a jail provision for farmers, will also be dropped. The government has also pledged to drop cases and FIRs lodged against farmers during the protest. The government, however, remains firm on its stand of not rolling back farm laws. Farmers currently were holding a meeting at the Shingu border, and now indications are coming in that they have rejected the proposal. Let's
This is unfortunate. देश के हित में नहीं है ऐसी बातें, पंजाब के हित में नहीं है, लेकिन अगर किसानों की बहुत ही मांगें पूरी हो जाती हैं तो इसको विड्रा करना चाहिए। और मेरा ख्याल पंजाब के लोग, बुद्धिजीवी लोग, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इसको विचार करेंगे, विचार करके कोई फैसला करेंगे और जो देश के हित में हो, पंजाब के हित में हो।
सरकार खुले मन से किसानों के साथ चर्चा कर रही है और लोकतंत्र में चर्चा के द्वारा ही समाधान होता है, यह हमारा विश्वास है और वैसे ही होगा, ऐसा हमें पूरी उम्मीद है। ये जो कानून है उसमें एपीएमसी भी रहेगी, एमएसपी भी रहेगा, सरकारी खरीद जो होती है वो भी रहेगी, और लेकिन दूसरी भी एक विंडो अपॉर्चुनिटी की किसान के लिए मिलेगी, जहां ज्यादा दाम मिलेगा वहां वो बेचेंगे।
अभी प्रपोजल है जो है उसके अंदर क्या है, खामियां हैं, क्या क्या है, वो सारा पढ़ने के बाद पता चलेगा। तो हमारे किसान संगठन उसमें मीटिंग करेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन हम उसमें जो सौदे करने की बात कर रहे हैं, जहां उसको हमारे को थोपने की बात कर रहे हैं कि आप इसके पर मान जो कर जो, बिल्कुल हम जो उसमें सुधार किया है, जहां उसको संशोधन किया है, बिल्कुल नहीं मानेंगे। हमारा सीधा सीधा बात है कि जो एपीएमसी एक्ट है जो पहले था हमारा मंडी का चलता था, उसको बहाल करें।
ये किसान वापसी नहीं जाएगा, किसान के मान सम्मान का सवाल है। अब मांग का सवाल कम रहेगा, किसान के मान सम्मान का सवाल है। सरकार बिल वापसी नहीं लेने की जी, मतलब तानाशाही होगी। अगर सरकार भी हट धर्मी तो है भाई, किसान की भी हट है, सरकार की भी। अब देखेंगे किसकी हार जीत जो कुछ होगा। ये अमेंडमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, बिल वापसी लेना पड़ेगा।
We have told that you give in writing, we'll look it into it. Today our meeting is there. Our position is very clear. If they give in writing regarding the repeal of the bill, only we can take note of that and consider. It is the situation going on, but we do not know what they will write.
All right, let's quickly cut across to our reporters. I have Kamaljeet Sandhu as well, and for a larger perspective, we'll cut across to Rahul Srivastava. Kamal, will you take us through the sticking points that the government proposal which has been sent, out of which most of them have been rejected by the farmers, is the indication coming in from that meeting right now?
Well, the impasse definitely continues, and the farmers' reaction is on expected lines. The government has been trying to assuage their fears. But remember, the farmers have been saying, one is about the corporate interest in farming, and they say this is vested interest. This has been one of the key factors. The other is obviously the MSP, the minimum support price, and the APMC. So yes, the farmers have now more or less rejected this. But remember, one is that there are a segment of farmers who are agreeing to it. Perhaps the government is also looking that this particular farmer protest is mostly based out of Punjab and then later on Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh farmers. So yes, this needs to be addressed. Now there has to be some out of the box thinking to actually come down to a certain level where there is an understanding. Now with written assurance, the government was trying to win over the trust, was trying to ensure that the farmers feel that the top government functionaries are taking their interest on board, that they are addressing the issue. But repealing of farm laws is something which is not something that the government is agreeing on. So with hardening of stance on both sides, the solution may not come up. But yes, some experts are pointing out that if certain states where these protests are taking place if they are put up to a state to implement that particular law, could lead to some hope that perhaps it's the state governments who would want to implement this are the ones who will do it. For instance, Bihar or other states,
Right.
for instance, where there are not so much pressure as far as farming sector is concerned, are more agreeable to the law than to those in Punjab and perhaps Haryana. So these are the factors, but the government is now closely looking at aspects. The ball has come back to the centre's court.
Right.
Remember, pressure building up on both sides, and they're looking, it's day 14 already, fortnight. So there is exhaustion setting in, but clearly farmers also stepping up pressure.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Kamal. Meanwhile, the farmers... Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.